Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can turn on or off ambient mode on YouTube. Ambient mode uses a lighting effect to make watching videos more immersive by casting gentle colors from the video into your screen's background. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the YouTube application on your device and also make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now I'm going to select and play a video. Now tap on the video and on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a settings option. Tap on that. Now tap on the additional settings option. After that, on the second option you'll see ambient mode. Tap on the button and your ambient mode will be turned on. Since my ambient mode is on, you can see the gentle colors of white being reflected on the caption, which will enhance your viewing experience on YouTube. However, this feature only works if dark theme is on your YouTube. So, if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.